Today is Tuesday, second trading day of the week, and market is really bullish. All the three major market indices are up. So are the swing trades that I did, because most of them are following the index to move. Bad news is that I shorted based on my profit signal on SBUX, and it gapped 20%, right? Okay, so I took quite a bigger loss than expected. But a good thing is, because of all my swing trades went much deeper into profits, is able to cover, right? Risk management is always very important to make sure like such things happen. Like 20% gap against me, right? Okay, so let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see over here, SBUX gap against me. It gapped almost 20% if I'm not wrong, and I lost about $60. Not as big as the Apple gap, right? But also Apple, because of my stop loss and entry, right? I took a $128 loss, right? Okay. So recently, because of the correction, it was not doing so well, right? But good thing is that my equity still did not go down. In fact, went up a little bit, mainly because most of the stocks are positive, right? Most of them are triggered to buy up, and most, if not all of them, are actually higher, except for maybe GM, right? GM also positive. It's just that slightly lesser profits than yesterday when I saw it, right? Okay, so over here, best performer so far is GM and Oracle, right? Oracle overtook GM, right? Based on yesterday's update, right? Oracle was just starting to move up, right? Now Oracle profits is now better than GM, right? Next one could be Tesla, right? Tesla today move up 5%, right? Okay, so you can see over here, Tesla surge up. Hopefully continue this way and give me even better profits. Generally, most of the stocks are much higher, right? Triggered Tesla, I traded it slightly below my entry price. And Oracle is almost there, halfway there to my take profit zone. NVIDIA also, I traded it slightly lower than my entry price, and right now is much higher also, surging up. In fact, almost 6%. Same for Microsoft, also going up, right? And JP Morgan is also higher now. Google is still quite about the same, right? Okay, and GM is halfway there, I would say. Another move up, another 1 or 2 days of up move, strong up move. It may even hit my take profit level. GE also not going anywhere, right? Slightly in profit. BAC also not going much. Good news is BA almost touched my stop loss point but didn't, and now bounce back up. Hopefully it might just surge up a little bit to my take profit zone before coming back down, right? Okay, and Apple is up quite a bit, right? Okay, so a good thing. Hopefully it might just keep on going up, like it has always been happening for it, right? So overall, the indices you can see over here are all up, especially Nasdaq. Nasdaq is up 2.3%, S&P is up 1.4%, Dow Jones is up roughly less than 1%, 0.8%. So just to take a look, even my profit signal also triggered to for the indices to go up, right? Even for Nasdaq as well, and even for Dow Jones, right? Okay, Dow Jones typically move much slower, right? And mainly also because it's just 30 component stocks in Dow Jones, right? S&P measuring 500 stocks is representing 500 component stocks is up. So generally, overall market today is quite bullish. And like I say in my previous video, if the rest of the week continue this way, the correction that we saw the correction that we saw the last couple of weeks could mean it's over, and last week could be the bottom, like what we see here. This bottom, right, was formed last week. We can if it holds that way for the rest of the week, then last week could be the confirmation that the bottom has already been formed, right? Okay, I would say there will be about 70% chance that the correction is already over, right? Okay, probability, whatever you call it, but I rate it as 70% probability that the correction is already over, right? So definitely right now risk on, right? Trying to get in more stocks, but of course my profit signal already trigger, and I have already went in on all these stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 11 stocks. Of course, Starbucks, you can see over here, it gapped 21%, right? It gapped 21% over here. You can see over here, right? 21.3% up to now, right? Okay, so after this gap, I lost that amount that you saw, and mainly also because I control my risk, right? Okay, and that's why I'm not hurt too much, and all these stocks were able to cover the losses in one day, right? Okay. Good thing is they have still more room to go. You can see over here they have still quite a room to go higher, right? If they do, then I would definitely be getting more profits and recovering my previous couple of weeks losses, right? Remains to be seen, right? Anything can happen. It may just U-turn, but definitely I'll update you as and when it happens, and I'm looking forward to sharing more insights about the profit signal with you. That's all from me, and do like and subscribe this channel if you find this video very interesting, right? You will do me and my channel a lot of favors, right? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.